Hey guys! Here's another super quick recipe you can try making. This recipe is easy and ever so delectable. It's kids' all-time favorite, and not only kids but everyone enjoys this caramelized popcorn. Let's get started! So we will need sliced bread and cut the sliced bread into cubes. Put it into a pan and cook in a medium heat until dry and crispy. Once toasted nicely, remove it from the heat. Now let's get started with our caramel sauce. In the pan, caramelize white sugar and do not use spoon when sugar is caramelizing. Once sugar starts to change color, add the butter and let the butter melt. And then you can add the milk. Keep on stirring the caramel sauce on low heat till it thickens up and changes color to nice golden brown. And guys, after that, switch off the flame. Now you can add the croutons in the caramel sauce and coat them nicely. Now our caramel bread popcorn is ready and perfectly served with milk, tea, or coffee. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and let us know your thoughts on the comment down below about this recipe. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit the bell and the subscribe button if you haven't yet.